Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet this funny chicken toy. Honestly, I didn't plan to crochet it, but I had a video tutorial how to crochet the circle in rows, and then I decided where to use those circles, and here it is. For this video tutorials I was using 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. You will also need a yarn needle or tapestry needle, and the yarn, any medium weight yarn. Today I'm using Karen Simply Soft. Use any leftovers, and for this toy you will need five five colors. One, two, three, four, five colors, yeah. And I'm not going to show in this tutorial how to crochet this circle in rows. You will find link down. Please check another video tutorial and then come back to this video tutorial to continue with the toy. So okay, I have done two circles, flat circles. If you don't want to learn how to knit circle in rows, you can make just in circle, like normal circle. Also, I'm not going to show you in this video tutorial how to crochet eyes. You will find a separate video tutorial as well for eyes, so please check again, link down. In that video tutorial I will show you how to crochet two types of eyes, so you decide which one you like the most. And I want to start this tutorial with chicken legs. I've done the first one. So just find the first stitch out of those 6 that we chain at the beginning, then count 5, 6 or 7 stitches for the second leg. Now let's take orange color, attach it, and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now into the second chain from hook, make 1 half double crochet and then 1 half double crochet in each chain, in total 5. So this is 3, 4, 5. Now make a slip stitch into the same stitch as join. So the first part is ready, and now let's repeat. Chain 6, into the second chain, make 1 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet in each chain till the end. Again slip stitch into the same stitch as join. The second part is ready, and for the third repeat the same. Yarn over and 1 half double crochet. And last slip stitch into the same stitch as join. That's it. The leg is ready. Cut the yarn and just pull this tail to the wrong side. You may tie two ends together and do not weave. We will leave all tails inside when we stuff the toy. Here it is. Chicken legs are ready. For the chicken crest, take red color. Again, attach the yarn into the first stitch out of those 6. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a slip stitch into the same stitch. After that, make a slip stitch in next stitch. And let's repeat. Chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a slip stitch into the same stitch and then into the next one. And let's repeat. Chain 6, slip stitch into the same stitch and slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 6, slip stitch into the same stitch and slip stitch in next one. Again, chain 6, slip stitch into the same stitch and slip stitch in next. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Let's look. If you like, you can stop at this point. I will make again slip stitch in next stitch, chain 6, and slip stitch into the same stitch. Okay. So you may stop at this point. I want to make the crest a little bit bigger, so that's why I turn and make a slip stitch into the first chain 6 space. After that, chain 5 and slip stitch in next chain 6 space. Let's repeat. Chain 5, slip stitch in next chain 6 space, and repeat. Chain 5, slip stitch. Chain 5, slip stitch in next chain 6 space. And for the last time, slip stitch. So here is my crest. I like it. The crest is ready. Now cut the yarn. Pull the tail through the last loop. And that's what we have. Really cute. Now for the chicken beak. Take again orange color. Orange color. Make a slip knot. And chain 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the second chain from hook, make 1 single crochet. And then 1 single crochet in each chain, in total 4 single crochet. Chain 1, turn, again 1 single crochet in each stitch. Chain 1, turn, again 1 single crochet in each stitch. From the next row we will make decreases. Chain 1, turn and make single crochet 2 together. Insert the hook, draw up a loop, then insert the hook into the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. After that, 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Chain 1 and let's make decrease from this side. Single crochet 2 together right away and then 1 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Chain 1, turn and again 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Here it is, and chain 1 and decrease, single crochet 2 together to finish. Pull through all 3 loops. Here it is, the beak is ready. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Leave a long tail, you will need it to sew the beak. So what you are doing now, you are going to sew everything, eyes, beak, and then I will be back with chicken wings. And look at this cutie. Here's the wrong side. I do not worry about tails, as I said. And let's crochet the second wing now. Using the same color, the main color. Here. Attach the yarn. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the second chain from hook, make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet in each chain. In total 5 single crochet. Now make a slip stitch like I did here into the next stitch. Again chain 6 and now into the second chain from hook 1 single crochet and then in each chain till the end. Make a slip stitch in next stitch along the body part, and for the last time chain 6 and 1 single crochet in each chain and slip stitch into the same stitch here to finish. The wing is ready, and now we need only to sew both parts and stuff the chicken. And let's do it together. Here is the second part, wrong side together with wrong side. And let's join 2 sides. If you don't want, you may just leave it like this, I mean do not stuff with filler, I'm going to stuff it. So you decide. Okay, join two sides in the right way, please. Insert the needle to leave the tail inside. Make it this way. And now insert the needle from back to front underneath both loops, like this. From back to front through both layers underneath both loops. If you want, you may seam it in a different way. Just want to show you what we are going to do when we reach the part with wings. And here is the wings. Just here we insert underneath both loops, and here we just pick up the back loops. This way. Let's pick up the loop here. And so on. Here is the seam and I like how it looks. Please go on seaming around. Here I am, that's what I've got at the end. If you want, you can stuff the chicken even more. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like this video. For the written instruction, check my blog and check my YouTube channel for other video tutorials. See you soon. Bye.